Well guys, here we are. Last night, all of a sudden, this well came on and water started gushing out. So I dug in here. And if you can see, that section right there, somehow or another, is flat. And there's a crack that developed all along the edge. And there's just water coming out of everywhere. So I'm gonna have to dig this a little wider and see about fixing it, because you can't run the pump without fixing it. Alright. Okay, so here's what we got. As you can see, you got a crack coming all the way down here. And this thing was flattened. And yeah. And I think that is what happened when the truck backed up to dump this rendering sand here. It had rained a lot the night before, and that weight just pushed down on that pipe. Okay, so there it is. Cut that section out. Put in that little bypass there to reconnect it, and let's see what happens. Woon. Turn on that hose over there.
On here?
Yeah, turn on that to get the air out. Alright, well it seems to be okay, so hopefully that section over there didn't get crushed. I don't exactly remember where that truck came in, but I don't see any water jumping out of everywhere. So hopefully that was it. Alright, let it run, see what happens. Okay, so there it is. That water right there is what I poured on top to make the dirt settle. I'm waiting for that to settle as time goes by. We are in the rainy season, and add more sand, dirt, whatever it takes, so everything settles correctly. Okay, thanks for watching.
ขอบคุณเจ้า
See you next time.
แล้วปะกันแฮมไมนะเจ้า
See you.